I want to thank our sponsor, the CFC, Centre Français de la Copie, Flexedo, a French company which supports publishers in their digital transformation, Leanova, also a French company which develops innovative solutions based on EPUB 3 for publishers, education, Dilicom, the interprofessional organization which facilitates data interchange in the French publishing industry also, Colibrio, which is a Swedish company developing a very innovative commercial EPUB 3 web reader, which will present its product in the lobby. Easy, a French company also, which provides EPUB creation and conversion services to publishers and develops a complete authoring tool to produce accessible and reflowable publications from PDF. Vincent will present how artificial intelligence can help in this domain. And Demark, a Canadian company which provides complete technical solutions to ebooks distributors and public libraries. As the organizer of this summit, and with my hat of IDEA Lab CTO, I'd like to use this opportunity just to summarize in a few words our current projects. So you know maybe that the lab has 3 goals. Doesn't work. Promote the use of open standards in the publishing industry, develop open source upon open standards, and promote and develop accessibility in the book chain, especially on the reading side. Our membership is already strong after 4 years. We've got 53 members now from France, for sure, Italy, England, Germany, Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, Norway, Canada, and China. And we are happy to have a member of the Chinese member, the Public Library of Shanghai here. In 2019, their lab is focusing on different projects. First, managing and developing the LCP-DRM. Arnaud Beaufort was very kind to speak about that just before. So LCP is an innovative, vendor-neutral DRM which aims at replacing the clunky proprietary solutions that we have to live for today. Finalizing the core development of a new Ridium open source code base that we call Ridium 2, a modern, multi-platform toolkit which is LCP compliant and aims at leveraging the interoperability, the accessibility, and the ease of adoption of EPUB 3 in reading systems. We also are developing a new desktop reader called Thorium Reader, an efficient, user-friendly, we hope, and accessible application for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. And Daniel Weck will present this product, this very new product, during this summit. We are also participating to the study by the W3C of web publications and the audiobook profile of web publication. And Wendy Reed from Kobo will come to this, is there in the room to speak about that during this summit. Also, we are working on a new interchange format which will be optimized for digital comics. We call it digital visual narratives, or short-term Divina. And we are developing the first version of a Divina reader on mobile at the moment. We are also prototyping about smart speakers, like the Google Home device, to access audiobooks online. And we are still, as usual, promoting open standards, open technologies, in particular with this forum. This is a very ambitious program, and I want to warmly thank all the IDEA Lab team, which is currently Daniel, Aferdita, Cyril, Michael, Simon, Pierre, Manuel, Irteza. So we are a full team of developers dedicated to these projects. I'm also thanking all our members, not only the European members and all the members from all the world, and we need more members. So it's a call to organizations in the publishing industry to join IDEA Lab if they appreciate our goals. We will have very many exciting subjects today and tomorrow. IDEA Lab projects are just a part of them. There will be very interesting intervention about artificial intelligence, blockchain, and many other subjects that I'm sure will be of great interest for you. We will have lunch breaks which are long enough for you to discuss between you about business, good break at lunch, French style. And you will be invited tonight, you are invited tonight, after the sessions, to move to a péniche, which is just on the Seine, 300 meters far from here, which is called Le Jardin Sauvage. You have received a small bandwidth, and it will be your key to enter this Jardin Sauvage. So the Jardin Sauvage is just when we go out of the BNF, you go on the Seine, just to the top, and you find a green péniche with a big name on that. And we will have drinks and foods there until midnight, if you like. I don't want to take more time than needed, so I will introduce the first speakers from today. So we will speak about, the first session is about EPUB 3, and EPUB 3 in production. Once again, it's a never-ending story. Some of us are expecting EPUB 2 to die for a long time, but others are still quite fine with it today. So Luc Audrin from Hachette is in the first camp. He's head of digitalization. He brings support to all publishers in the group. He's involved in the design of the company information system. He promotes the understanding and implementation of standards inside Hachette, noticeably for ebook file formats, EPUB, and metadata distribution, ONIX. Luc also represents Hachette in various organizations, like the French Publishers Association, SNE, and editor.org, so a very complete skill set. After that, we will have on stage Romain Deltour. Romain is a software developer from the DAISY Consortium. He worked before at INRIA, well-known French research and development center for digital sciences. Romain is a lead developer of ACE by DAISY, the accessibility checker for EPUB, and is one of the primary maintainers of the EPUBcheck, the well-known EPUBcheck tool, which is live again thanks to DAISY. Both will describe and demonstrate why it's now really time to move to EPUB 3.